Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. If you are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I am Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. So today we are here in the city of North Las Vegas. We're going to be touring this lovely home. This is a single story home by Pulte. And this is actually a Del Webb community. And the name of this neighborhood is called North Ranch. Now understand that Del Webb is an age-restricted community. However, you do have an option to move here if you're not at the age of 55. Remember, it is a 10% occupancy. So, here I believe we have like 394 homes. So that allows you 39 homes to be occupied by a homeowner that is under the age of 55. Now you have three different collections to pick from. This is actually a two-car garage right here, what you see. This is the Solitude model. And the Solitude model starts off at $368,990. So now the question is, what do you get for the price? What you get for the price is 1,657 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage. Also includes a den and a covered patio. Now, I'm going to show you guys real quick. We're going to start back from the beginning. Okay. So as we come down this hallway here, as you can see, we have a standard 8-foot door here with the 9-foot ceilings. Right off to the right, we do have our den or an office. As you can see, they're making this as an office right here. Okay. So this office right here is probably going to be about 10 by 10. So it's a very small office here. Now, as we come down here, as you can see, we have a standard 6 inches on the baseboards. Off to the right, on this feature wall right here, we have nothing but, what is this called? This type of cloth. There's actually a name for this. I forget what the name is, okay? We do also have the bullnose on the cornering, skip trot on the texture. We have the standard fixtures here, the brush nickel. Here's your coat closet here. Laundry room as we come in. You have a standard door casing here, it looks like. Now on this one, washer and dryer are not included in the sale of this transaction. So right above me we have a 30-inch cabinet with a 6-inch crown here and another 36 inches on the smart panel box. Now let's come down this way. Let's see what we got here. As you can see, we have a nice open floor plan. But however, I'm going to start off on this side. We're going to take a look at the second bedroom. Right off the second bedroom, we can see we have the 2-car garage and also the bathroom, 3/4 bath. Now in this 3/4 bath, this will service in this bedroom and also for your guests too as well. And the vanity on there is actually 36 inches on the vanity with a 24-inch toilet height. And we have our Petrofina on the backsplash, fiberglass pan, and your standard one fixtures. And let's take a look here. We have some extra linen closet space with a 2-panel door. 2-panel door is not insulated. Now, coming into the bedroom. What do we have for the bedroom here? Bedroom size on this one is 12 by 11, which is a pretty large bedroom considering. I think it's actually a little bit bigger than that, okay? You have a 4 rocker switch here, a 2-tone paint. Now, let's come down this way. Let's take a look at this kitchen. A couple things on this kitchen that has been upgraded with the 3 pendant lighting here. And you have a nice granite countertop. Now on this island, what you'll notice is that you have a front apron right here, that farmer sink style deep dish, which is really nice. I feel like eating some pizza now. I said deep dish, right? Because that's my favorite pizza is Pizza Hut, but deep dish. I love that window right there. That's really nice. 42 upper cabinets with the beautiful crown. And you have the light rail with the LED lights too as well. And you have the Whirlpool package appliance. On this one you have the oven and convection microwave, which is really cool. Now, what do we have over here? My nose is a little bit itchy. And I feel like I need to drink some water. I'm getting dehydrated. Okay, here we go. Let's get that closed. So, on the floors, let's see what we have here on the floors. It feels like vinyl on the flooring. Yeah. No, it's laminate. It's so hard to tell sometimes. It feels like laminate. You gotta like scratch it, kind of see what's going on. So with this little nook right here, you have this nice herringbone. Wow, this is really nice. I love these plank tiles here. That's really large, and you do this section with the herringbone. That's pretty dope. Now, here, the standard slide would be the 6-foot slide. This is a 12-foot slide that opens in the middle. This is not like your top-notch slide. However, this is cool. Covered patio, you have two options. You see how like this covered patio goes all the way to the end? Basically, it cuts off here. You can do this section, or you can also just do the master. Okay, one or the other. If you do that, then wow, that sounds weird. If you do that, pavers. Let's take a look at the master, or the primary. I'm sorry. As you can see, we have an 8-foot slide, and this would be a structural upgrade option. Love that feature wall right there. It's really nice. Again, 9-foot ceilings here, two-tone paint, the standard baseboards, and the standard casings on here. Let's take a look at the bathroom. So inside the primary bathroom, as you can see, we do have a custom tile that has a 0 threshold right into the shower. Now on the shower pan here, as you can see, it is not sealed. But what they did was they did the Petrofina 2-piece panel on here and continues on over. Gives you that semi-custom look with this deep sterling fiberglass tub. Okay. Now you do have an option to extend this all the way out, get rid of the tub, and you got your walk-in here, which gives you that spa shower. But I think I like it the way it is. Here's your water closet. Now let's walk into the closet here. Now with this builder, you're going to have a 10-year structural warranty. Also, you have a 5-year when it comes to plumbing, but you got to really take a look at that. Read the fine lines, because they also have a 2-year AC plumbing too as well, as far as like water intrusions and stuff like that. So take a look at that. They also have like a 1-year like a bumper to bumper, I believe, with this builder. And the materials that they use are some pretty good quality materials. As you already may know from watching my videos for some time, it is standard. A lot of builders will use batten insulation inside the walls, not the interior walls, the walls on the outside of your home. R13, right? R13, but you can do an upgrade to R15. Inside of the attic with the batten insulation, R30, standard. They have an option to go up to R38. Now, if that's the case, remember the builders must disclose the materials. Also, if I notice some of these builders, what they're doing now, especially with the radiant barrier, they no longer really make those because they're kind of backed up with everything. They're making you sign an addendum that they want you to cancel out of the materials, and you are okay with that. If that is the case, before you sign anything, see if you can negotiate something in return. Right? That's what I would do. So that is your tip for today. If you guys like content like this and want more content like this, this is the only channel here in Las Vegas that's going to educate you on purchasing a home. Because that's what we do. We have a fiduciary responsibility as a licensed real estate agent to walk you through the process and really tell you how it is, right? At the end of the day, you're the captain of this ship. Well, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.